Hey guys, welcome to my very first video. Hope it's all going well. I decided to create this channel because I just wanted to have fun and show you how to do some of these DIYs and restorations that I've been working on. A lot of my family and friends have always asked how it's going and how we do things, or how I do things, because I pretty much do it myself. And so I thought, why not create videos on it? So today we're going to be showing you some restorations and DIYs on how I put together my dining room. When we first added on to the kitchen, I just didn't know what I wanted to do, and we were kind of in a rush on a very tight budget because construction costs money, so we didn't get to really decorate too much. Now that we're back from our road trip, back from the holidays, I was super excited just to hit the road running, and I'm super excited to show you all the things that I've done for our dining room, and I hope you guys like them. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos, because I will be updating and showing you more of our home, and I'm super excited for you guys to see all the little DIYs and restorations that will go along with it. And then you can also click thumbs up to like our video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Hey guys, so for the first project today, we're going to be redoing our dining room table. I accidentally spilled some nail polish remover, so I kind of messed it up. And we've been wanting to redo it anyway, since I didn't put such a great seal the first time. We were kind of in a rush to get it done, so this time we're going to do how we originally planned to do it. So we're going to get it cleaned up, and we're going to take it outside and get sanding. Okay, so here's the table. I mean, we have all of our stuff still on it, so I gotta take that off, but you can see all of the food and stuff that just gets stuck to it. I didn't do a very good seal the first time because I was in a rush to get it done, and we just wanted to get into our house already since we were renovating it. But yeah, so what we're going to do first is we're going to sand all of it down, and then my lovely mistakes right here that I spilled. I'm usually so careful about that stuff, but this time I wasn't, I guess. So we're going to sand it down, and our hope is to get it to the same finish as our chairs, which I absolutely love. So first we want to clean the table really well. We want to take off any grease or grime that may be stuck on there from the oils of our hands and just whatever we touch, as well as from any food that is left from there. Once you get all that off, then you should be ready to start sanding. Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot. I got all my supplies. I just need a couple things I don't have in stock right now. Some of the staining pads, some sandpaper, this finish. We definitely needed like a heavy duty one, especially because our daughter loves to get food all over the table. Don't get me started. Some safety glasses for sanding because broke mine last time. Different story. And our finishing sandpaper, so we get a really nice smooth finish, because I don't like any bumps or anything like that. I want it to be super clean, super smooth, so it was like professionally done. Just bought it from like showroom, whatever you want. So yeah, I'm gonna stop and have some lunch real quick and then get to work. I like to use the 120 grit, 220 grit, and even the 320 grit, just because I want a really smooth finish and I don't want to leave any marks or scratches from the sanding machine. This may take a little bit more work, but it's definitely worth it when you have that really clean, professional looking job. Okay, so you can see how pretty this is gonna be. It's already looking really nice, so I can't wait. We're gonna put a little bit of a whitewash so it stays light, because a lot of woods get a little yellow or just darken a little too much than I like when you put the sealant on. Even if it's clear, it'll always make it look a little bit darker. So we're gonna put a little bit of whitewash on it to keep it light, and then put the seal on. but as you can tell, there's a lot of layers underneath there, so the more matte it looks, you know, the more ashy it looks, the closer we're getting to it. So we have a lot of work to do, but it's gonna get there, and it's gonna be super pretty. Once you're done with the electric sander and you have all the stain removed, then we're going to do it one more time by hand with a 2000 grit sandpaper. This will give it a nice smooth finish so that it's ready to be cleaned and prepped for the stain. I like to use the Varathane brand. It works very well and it lasts a long time. It also dries very quickly with their newer coats that they have, which is great. In this case, we use sun bleached, which is so pretty. It has a nice gray touch to this light whitewash that we're doing. I decided to use staining pads this time rather than cheesecloth because I didn't want a heavy stain. Cheesecloth tends to bring a lot of stain over to your surface, whereas a staining pad tends to absorb more of it, so you get a lighter finish to it. Normally, I wait in between coats for it to dry fully, but because I wanted a more transparent look, I continue to add more stain to the pad so I can spread it out more thinly. So this is the finish that we have today. It looks so gorgeous. I'm so happy with how the stain came out. It's not super heavy. I only did barely any 2 coats, but it came out so pretty, and I like how you can see like some of the warm tones coming through. That's like exactly what I wanted. I want it to stay cool and light, but still have that warm tone in it, just so that the room doesn't get dull, because we do have a lot of like grays and charcoals and things like that. So I'm so excited. Let's get that final protective layer on it, and then we'll be good to go. Guys, thank you for joining me on my first video again. I'm so happy and excited to finally got this going. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe at the button down below. And go ahead and check out all the links that I've left you. So if you want to try any of these out for yourself, please do. It's so much fun and exciting, and it's on a budget, so you don't have to spend a fortune to have a cute house or to have a cute space at all. So just go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to like the video. Hey guys, welcome to my very first video. I'm so excited to see. I was recording.
You can let me know.
Hey babe, I'm recording.
Oh, thank you. Now I know.
So, let's get this started, and